Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have admin rights and the monitor connected. Start now by opening Display Settings. Click the desktop and choose Display Settings. This brings up scale, layout, and resolution options. Once done, identify which screen is active and confirm cable type, HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, because that affects available resolutions. Make sure Windows detects the correct monitor. Click Detect if needed. This step sets the stage for safe changes and avoids applying settings to the wrong display. Now pick the resolution drop-down and choose the recommended or the monitor's native resolution. This ensures sharp text and correct aspect ratio. If items appear too small, adjust scale but avoid non-integer values. Stick to 100% or 125% for clarity. Use the Advanced Display Settings link to verify refresh rate and color depth match the monitor specs. When prompted, preview the change and click Keep Changes to confirm. If the image is off, Windows will revert. Finish by updating or reinstalling graphics drivers through Device Manager or the GPU Maker's installer. Outdated drivers often limit resolution options. Once installed, reboot and reopen Display Settings to confirm the desired resolution and refresh rate are available. If the problem persists, swap cables or try a different monitor to rule out hardware faults. As a last resort, roll back the driver or restore to a previous system point. This recovers a working state while you investigate further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.